Hiya, my name is the Danny Hop. Here is some unedited raw footage for you to check out or use for free. I'm happy to share for anyone who can use it. I'm no professional and I'm making no apologies for bad photography and piloting, but I think that there's some moments in the footage that you can edit and hopefully will be useful to someone. I do apologise though for my gratuitous angles of my crotch and also my bald spot. Feel free to screen record and use these clips at will. A credit on any video that you make that you publish would be nice, but I won't be chasing you for it. If you'd like the original files, then please feel free to email me and ask, or you can DM me. My email address is danthehop@gmail.com, or Instagram is the Danny Hop. I can't promise that I'll still have all of the original files though, because they take up so much space on my hard drives. But if I have it, I'll be happy to share it with you. All of this footage is recorded at 2.7K and the drone is a DJI Mavic Mini. Feel free, if you so wish, to send any tips or gifts or anything like that to my PayPal at the above email address. It'll help me fund equipment, upgrades and fuel to get to interesting destinations, which will hopefully improve what I'm sharing. This specific footage is from Windermere. I flew from Jenkin Crag in the first part of the video and then walked down to the lake and flew again from a lovely park bench on the lakeside right in front of the Lake Lodge on the A591. If you look closely when I get to the highest point looking away from the lake, I think after looking at the Google map that is Wansfell Pike. But I'm only allowed to go up to 120 meters, and so it's not an incredibly clear shot of it. Any questions or requests, feel free to get in touch or follow me on Insta, hashtag the Danny Hop. Thanks very much and all the best.
I had another dream last night, scared by your vision from my bed. It makes no sense that I'm up here and you're down there, when you could be here instead. It's all that I can do to keep myself from loving you. If you were here, I would love you. If you were here, how I would love you. Simple, but it's complicated. I had another drink last night. Can't ever seem to say when I've had enough. It's the same old weakness that rules my life. That means I have to go and mess it all up, 'cause it's all that I can do to keep myself from loving you. Were here, I would love you. if you were here, how I would love you. Sounds simple, but it's complicated. I had a little thought just then that actually where we are right now is best. Before I get to know you, mess it up again. So I'll just give this song a rest. I saw you today, like a fool you'd walked in the rain, and the eyes of your head were shot blood red. The soles of your shoe, they were clean. Don't you dare pray to God. If you be begging for some sweet release, please no. I know that sometimes you're cold, you get scared. I can't soothe your brain, I can't mend your head, I can't even keep the blossoms from the wind's motion. But I give you my love, my devotion. I give you my love and devotion. And what do I really know? All these feelings, all I have is the sorrow of hatred's grip, of a Judas trip. There's no blade as keen as betrayal. So don't you dare pray to God. If you be begging for some sweet release, please no. It seems in life there's more fury than sound. I reach for my guns when you talk about shooting them down. I can't keep the rains from lashing the ocean. But I'm here, there's no alone. Let's get lost, let's get go, let's get out and get this wheel in motion. But I give you my love and devotion. I give you my love, my devotion. Give you my love, my devotion. know, full of those words that I wrote when we were in love can no longer sit. They just won't sit well with you, 'cause we lingered, then we stopped. Careful with your heart, oh, you heard it said, don't give your all away too easily, so easily led. 'Cause if you stumble, you might fall. All the sorrow, forget your sorrow. You could write all your life in lost chances of love. What did we expect? Who were we kidding? It's a good old-fashioned cruel world. And I'm just a boy, you're just a girl. You're just a girl. Never had much time. We never had much time. Now we're apart. That's such a shame. Taking turns to take the blame. It leaves in my mouth taste of spitting this sadness out. Because if you stumble, you might fall. But the magic, oh, the magic, when we dance and we stamp through the cracks in the road. What did we expect? Who were we kidding? It's a good old-fashioned cruel world. Same old stories, yet unfurled. When I'm just a boy, you're just a girl. Oh, you're just a girl. Well, I'm just a boy. You're just a girl. Just a girl. What a girl. What a girl. deserve this, 'cause you pour it freely. I watch it all surround me. I'm sorry I held my summer from you. I'm sorry I never said, till you came along and gave me all your sweetness. How can I keep this? 'Cause you just pour it freely, renews what I believe. I'm sorry I held my summer from you. I'm sorry I never said, 'cause you came to me and gave me all your sweetness. Will you ever forgive me? Or will you just pour it freely until my heart is full? I'm sorry